This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. This is a shower head that comes with a filter, and I'm excited to install it. It comes with all of the hardware that I need to replace my existing shower head, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm changing out this old shower head that's in my guest bathroom. It is ready to go, let me tell you. Oh my Lord. I'll figure it out. I figured it out. So this tip that comes off, but then this actually screws off. It doesn't pop off. So I haven't seen anywhere that I'm supposed to add a washer yet, because all of these connections already have washers. So maybe the washer in the kit is extras. And inside here, you can see there's like a plastic insert there. And I don't know if that's supposed to come out or not. I kind of played with it and it doesn't seem like it pops out easily. So I'm just going to leave it in there. And if there's something wrong with the shower head, then I'll know to follow up with that. So this is pretty good. Doesn't seem to be any leaks. All the seals seem to be okay. Alright. So whatever that plastic thing was inside of it probably was meant to be there and not to be popped off. So yeah, going through here. Different sprays is really good. Oh, and this is for the that single doggle up there. So you can really pressure wash something. It seems like that would hurt, but hey, I'll try it once. So yeah, this was really easy to put together. I like the way it looks. It's very light but sturdy. It's made out of plastic, but I like this high chrome look. And I don't see any leaks or any problems with it. So I say this is a successful installation. Somebody's going to get some good use out of it.